This is the FT30 that is designed to mill 1/2 inch or 5/8 drywall to almost any degree that you need on the job. It'll cut 4x8s all the way up to 12 foot, and you can even cut 1/2 inch sheetrock if need be. There's a saw on here as well for cutting your rips, and then you have an 1800 watt milling unit on this side that's going to give you a 90, a 45, a 135 degree angle, whatever size is needed. This is designed to take away drywall finishing from the corner beads. As we all know, that's the biggest callback on a job. And it's also the most time consuming with 3 coats and sanding. This will show you how to mill it, put it on the wall, whether it be a soffit or an up and down, and literally you walk away from it at the end with a finished edge. In today's busy construction world, prefab is key for any contractor right now to get on and off the job faster and meet deadlines. This is specifically what this is designed for. You can either prefab in your shop and truck it out to the job, or you can take it on the job, up and down butt hoist, and do it literally on the job. It makes it much faster, much easier, and again, you're getting rid of the corner beads and any finishing or sanding. The PanelMax family actually consists of 4 different units. The first one being a CM10P3, which is a portable unit that comes in a bread box that you carry on the site with you. It consists of 3 different tracks that go together. You can put it on a lift of drywall, and it's going to come specifically with a 90-degree bit, which it's known for. You hit a button, it goes all the way down 10 foot and back. The max length on the CM10 is 10 foot, so you won't be able to cut a 12 foot, but it's a very, very popular item, probably our most important and biggest mover. The next would be the ST48, which is a stationary table. This is a table that you put in your warehouse. You make your cuts there, whether you're cutting rips with the saw or whether you're making cuts, milling with the unit. You can truck everything out to the job from there, but everything is done in your warehouse. Next, and what I'm standing next to now, is the FT30. It's a folding table designed really specifically for the job, because this will actually tee up almost like a ping pong table, designed to go on a butt hoist to go from floor to floor, and then you can adjust your casters from there, and that way you're level at all times. It does the same thing as the stationary table, except it goes up and down a butt hoist. You cannot do that with a stationary table. Next would be the CNC machine. It's a hybrid machine that essentially, instead of an X and Y axis like this is here, you have a CAD file, you upload into it, put your drywall on and hit a button, and it does everything for you, cuts and routes. And that's the 4 categories that we have.